what's up? It is Brandy Chanell, and if you are new to this channel, here on this channel we talk about everything from hair to fashion to pretty much all things beauty and lifestyle. So if you haven't already, don't forget to press that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can join the notification gang. All right, let's get on with the subject matter at hand. All right, guys, as you can tell by the title of this video, we are going to be talking about holiday decor. I have not yet decorated my tree because I wanted to show you guys these things first, and then I'll do the decorating in part 2. If you haven't seen my Flock's Christmas tree, I will leave the iCard above of both the flock tree and how to flock garland from last year and I believe the year before last. I'm going to do the same thing downstairs, but here in my office I want to try something on the tree, and then I'll try it on the tree next year downstairs if I like it. You know what I'm saying? So anyways, let's just get into it. Let's start with Walmart and then we'll finish with Dollar Tree. So first things first, I thought these were so cute. I hope the lighting is all right in here and you guys can see everything true to color. I'll try to fix it. But these are so absolutely cute. These are from Walmart, the holiday time decor line. These are $12.98. I got this cute little guy here. We'll have to find a name for him because I like to name things. So this is the first reindeer. This is gonna go on my table downstairs. These two will go on my dining room table, and I got another one. It's laying down. They also have gold ones, and I believe they have deer ornaments, but I thought these were really cute. They're actually paper mache, so if you're crafty you can probably make these yourself, but I think they're so cute. I love the little wreath around its neck, and it has little hollies on it. Yeah, it's really cute, and again, it's made out of tree bark. It's pretty cool, but I thought it would be super cute on my table downstairs. These are some ornaments that are gonna go on the tree downstairs. I'm just adding some things to the tree downstairs, but here are some gold poinsettias. My tree color downstairs is blush pink and gold, so I wanted to add some floral action to it, and these I believe were 98 cents. Yep, these were 98 cents a piece, so I got 4 of those. Again, I'm gonna bring it up close so you guys can see them. 4 kind of poinsettia type deals, spiels. These, I was gonna take this one back because it looks a little damaged on the back, but I'm like, girl, it's $1.98, whatever. This will also go on my tree downstairs, pink and gold theme, and they're donuts. They look like macaroons, but they said they're donuts. And this one was $1.98. Walmart has some really good decor. It's probably already picked up about the time you see this video, but if you can find some stuff at your Walmart, check it out. This I thought was super cute, a snow globe. I think I'm gonna put this on the tree up here in my office. This was also $1.98. I think it's really, really cute. Looks like one of the little trees is falling over, but whatever, girl, it's $1.98. What are you gonna do? One cute little ornament from Hobby Lobby. Oh, she is so cute, y'all. Oh my gosh, look at this little sweet baby girl. Oh my gosh, look. Let me show you. Before we go to Dollar Tree, this is some, I'm going to show you a picture here of my inspo for this tree up here, and I got this candy cane striped. It kind of reminds me of a barbershop when I do that. Some glitter in between on the white. I don't know if it's showing up on camera. It's like a greenish glitter, which hopefully that translates on the tree, but yeah, this is for the tree up here. And now on to Dollar Tree. I think that was $6 from Michael's. You can get it cheaper at Joann Fabric or Walmart, but I just happened to be at Michael's, so I got it. First up is this really pretty cross for my tree. This is from the dollar store, so obviously it's $1. It's the Elegance by Christmas House ornament. I need a little praise on my tree, you know, because that's the reason. Jesus is the reason for the season. You know what I'm saying? All right, and I got 4 of these little candy canes because the color is going to be hot pink, red, and white. So I have some old hot pink ornaments already that I'm going to put on the tree, but I wanted to add some extra red and white as well. So I got 4 of these little candy canes. And I wanted to decorate, I don't know if you guys can see them up here, but I'll do a decorate, like I said, I'll do a decorating video, but I'm gonna put them in these, what are these called? Shadow boxes. So I have 3 of these to put in my 3 shadow boxes. I thought these were so cool. I realized that my shadow box is not deep enough, so I'm gonna hang them on the outside, but I think it'll still look really cool. It's these really pretty deer. I don't know, I'm just starting to like deer all of a sudden, the woodsy look. It's very, very glittery. And it has a deer with the, what do these things called? With a wreath around its neck. And I'm just gonna hang it on these shadow boxes back here. It's gonna be so cute, girl. Where did I leave off? Okay. And I think that's all for this bag. And last but not least are some little floral-ish arrangements. These are 3, I got 3 or 4, I can't remember, of these kind of picks. I'm just gonna show you one because they're super glittery. That's the only thing with glitter stuff. It kind of gets everywhere, but it looks really pretty. Again, these were $1. Just 3 or 4 little cones on a pick. They're called berries, my bad. Berries. I'm gonna stick these in the tree downstairs. I mean, they're $1, so I'm not expecting this amazing craftsmanship out of these, but I feel like they're definitely worth the price. And finally, I purchased these red branches with the kind of holly berry on them, and I'll put them on the tree up here. I wonder if I can spread them out a little. I don't think I can. I think they're stuck together, but I just wanted to clump them together, and I think I got 4 of these as well. I may get some more, and they have like some fake snow on it. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed that super quick decor haul. Stay tuned for the next couple of videos that will be holiday related. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope your heart's well. I hope your mind's well, and I hope you're well. And happy holidays to everyone. I know it's super early, but it's Thanksgiving's right around the corner, so that'll be the kickoff for the holiday season. So happy holiday for my home chewers. All right, catch you guys in my next one. Bye.